Hi everyone and welcome to Pocketful of English with Miss Ina. When you want to ask a question in English, you often need to use a question word. But which question word is the right word to use? There are 9 question words, and 8 out of these question words begin with the letters WH. Therefore, these question words are often called W or WH words. When we use question words, the answers give us information. Let us learn more about WH questions or question words in today's lesson. But before we begin, let me remind you that there is a short quiz after the lesson. So you have to listen and watch carefully to get a full score. Are you ready now? Come on, let's begin. WH question words. What are question words? Question words are words that are used to ask about time, place, person, object, thing, reason, or way. Question words are in the form of various WH words that start with WH. What, where, when, why, which, who, whom, whose, or the word that contains the letters W and H, how. That's why question words are sometimes called WH words. WH questions are also called open questions. To get more, different, or specific information, we use question words. What are the functions of question words? 1. When. We use when to talk about the time something happens. Examples. When do the shops open? When does the train arrive? 2. Where. We use where to ask questions about the place something is or happens. Examples. Where did you go swimming? Where is my red sweatshirt? 3. Who. We use who to ask questions about people. Examples. Who is that strange guy over there? Who is the best football player in the world? 4. Whose. We use whose to ask which person something belongs to or connected with. Examples. Whose shoes were left by the door? Whose idea was it to eat dinner here? 5. Whom. We use whom to ask the person who received the action or the direct object. We use whom to refer to people in formal styles or in writing when the person is the object of the verb. We don't use whom very often, and we use it more commonly in writing than in speaking. Examples. Whom did you see in the morning? Whom are you going to meet? 6. What. We use what to ask questions about things or happenings. Examples. What did she eat tonight? What do you think you're doing out there in the dark? 7. How. We use how to ask questions about the way in which something is done. We can also use how to ask about condition or quality. This question word can also be combined with various words to become how often, how far, how much, how many, how long, and how old. Examples. How can I learn English quickly? How do you cook Asian garlic noodles? 8. Which. We use which when we want to identify the exact person, object, or place. Examples. Of all the drinks in the menu, which one would you like? Which direction do you want to go? 9. Why? We use why to seek the reasons for something. Examples. Why don't you like the apple juice? Why is the sky blue? Now that we know the 9 question words, let's find out the word order when making questions. Be careful of the word order when you make questions. We have to follow this pattern. We start with the question word, followed by the auxiliary or modal verb, then the subject, and the main verb. Let's look at this example. Why do you sleep early? Our question word is why. The auxiliary verb is do. The subject is you. The main verb is sleep. Another example. When is your birthday? Our question word is when. The auxiliary verb is. And our subject is your birthday. Quiz time! Complete each sentence with the correct question word. When, where, what, who, which, why, whose, whom, and how. Time to check the answers. Did you get all correct? You nailed it, everyone! I'm so happy seeing all of you today. Keep learning English the easy way with me. I'll see you again soon.